Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Finally, guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So overall performance looks weak, so it's not good sign for the bulls. And problem even not with the patterns that we see currently, but with the overall reaction on the particular factors, in particular speaking as a Fed statement. So you could see the corresponding reaction on the euro currency and the gold market. It's relatively positive, so ECB could add more today. But on the Bitcoin, we do not see it. And this is not good sign. So actually, as we said last week, we are worrying on reaction on the CPI, on low CPI, good job market. It was no actual reaction on the Bitcoin. The same story here on the Fed. So once other market shows really good performance, Bitcoin stands flat. So this is indirect signs of weakness. So it means that a bit deeper retracement might happen, and actually the targets that they have specified previously, well, currently we do not see any reasons to cancel them. Meantime, on the weekly chart, you could see also some changes are coming. So first of all, market is dropping out of the flag consolidation, which is definitely bearish because this is bullish consolidation by the logic. So this is flag after the upper direction. It has to be bullish continuation pattern, but now it is broken in the opposite direction. Second, minor grabber that has been formed last week now is mostly erased. So if market will close here or slightly lower this week, grabber will be erased and we have the opposite breakout of the flag, which is bearish. And don't forget that we still have valid minor grabber right there that suggests taking out of these lows. Currently, it's very difficult to say what the particular reasons might be with the drop back to the 24 area, what the triggering factors will be, but technical picture in this case remains bearish. So because this is not just the drop of the opposite breakout of the flag, drop out of the flag, this is breaking of the natural market move, price move, because here actually if you calculate the swings you understand what I'm talking about. This is first upper direction reversal. This is fading of the previous bearish momentum, retracement, contraction stage. That is new extension after this one to the next target, which is where it was very thrust right to the OP, right in the major resistance area. Reaction on the resistance and retracement after the first target has been tested. OP has bit touched. Now, once again, it has to be extension because major retracement already is done right there. And here's with this performance that we see, it shows that market currently can't show the extension. It has not enough power. And it has shown the pullback once again after this out from this same resistance. But a lot of bulls already have taken position with this starting of the action on this retracement. Somebody taking position inside of the flag pattern consolidation, preparing for upward action. And once they will be washed out by the downward action, here we could get some acceleration. So this is not really a good sign for the bulls right there. On the hourly chart, everything goes with our scenario that we suggested. So engulfing pattern, we said it's kind of the ABCD, and market has collapsed right on Monday. So as we have prepared the research, it has dropped down, but currently it hasn't reached yet the predefined target. So market now is showing the reaction on the nearest support 2950 area. First support it has tested, now it shows the bounce. This is, by the way, market action and reaction on recent Fed. And if you'll take a look at the intraday charts, you could see that this is really anemic. So that's what we see currently as reaction on the Fed. Almost nothing. Just compare it with the euro currency. It's also signs of weakness. What is more important is that here's two moments. First of all, here we have some acceleration. And actually, any downside action here shows the relatively strong speed, much stronger than any upward reaction. Upward reaction stands very choppy, slow, and lots of overlapping candles, small candles. This is definitely not the reversal. This is just a consolidation after next downward action, as we see. Second, market dropped out of this rectangle. This is also important thing. So it now stands out of it. Yes, it has reached the confluence that we discussed, 28.63. Its actual lows were 28.80. We said that it should be somewhere 28.50. So our target was somewhere in this area. But now market is supported by this confluence area. Butterflies once again has been formed here. So 1618 butterfly has been completed with this downward action. This is proper reaction, proper retracement. But something tells me that probably this downward action is not over yet. It's just because of the market response and market behavior between the collapses. So here we have the same. So that's why I think that OP it's too early to take off the table. So 28.50 or it still might be completed, might be reached, just due to the performance that we have currently. On the hourly chart, we could see from current pullback, so market could test, for example, 29.78 area. It's a previous consolidation as we discussed last time. It's also 618 resistance will be. So it might be the destination of the market as a pullback, and then see what will happen. So I currently think that it seems, just based on the overall weakness that we have, it's too early to speak about the reversal, and we need to get more bullish signs. For instance, if market returned back up to the 30 even 30 start forming head and shoulders here, in this case we could say yes, maybe something is changing. At least we could try to take the long position. But at the current point, I would more consider the short entry somewhere around 28 area, 29.75, 30 even, somewhere in this level, and retesting of this trend line is possible downside continuation to this area at the current moment. So let's see what will happen.